Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Free Internship and Courses Program. This is the Indian Army Data Analysis Internship 2026 is going on. So you can apply now and you can get stipend up to the 60,000. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for that. So Indian Army Data Analysis Internship 2026 complete detail we'll explain, and this is the Indian Army Internship Program IAIT. So IAIP, this is a 2026 has officially opened the application for the data analysis internship. This is a 75 days full-time internship in Delhi for the eligible B.Tech, B, Computer Science, Computer Engineering and Diploma Engineer students. So stipend up to 60,000 you will get. From program guidelines mention up to 75 based on the attendance. So internship highlight will be there. This organization is Indian Army. Role is the data analysis intern. Duration is 75 days. Location in Delhi, and start date is 31st of August 2026. Last date to apply is 3rd August 3 August 2026, and credit you will get a 15 and full-time internship course. So responsibility will be there: data collection and cleaning, Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet, data analysis and reporting, data creation, dashboard creation, Power BI database preparation, documentation, and data management. So required skill is there: Microsoft Excel, Google Sheet, Power BI basics, analytical skill, communication skill, and time management. So eligibility, as I told you before, also B.Tech, B, Computer Science, Computer Engineering related branches, Diploma in Computer Engineering, available for the 75 days, and relevant skill and interest. So important rule is there: police verification in mandatory. There is a formal dress code Monday to Saturdays 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and smartphone, laptop restricted inside the office. And attendance must be 75 plus for the stipend eligibility. Accommodation is not provided. Accommodation is not provided. And this is the apply link, and this is the internship detail. So subscribe for the latest government internship, free certification, AI courses, ISRO, DRDO, ITI, IIT, and NPTEL, SWAM Plus, and Microsoft, Google, and career updates. So we'll go through the URL. When we'll open the URL, you will find this page. This is the Raksha Mantralaya and Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Education, and this is the URL internship.aicteindia.org. So you can check all the things, all the details you can find here. So service program and full details about the Indian Army internship. So what you will learn, all the details you will get. So stipend up to 75,000. So when we'll go through the URL, internship URL for this data analysis. So this is the Indian Army full time 75 days and Delhi. Date of posting is 24th of July, and start date is 31st of August 2026. Stipend up to 60,000. Number of credit is 15, and last date to apply is 03 August 2026. So about the course, you can get all the details here. Description of the project: data management intern, as I told you before. So all the details you can find. So skill set, you need to know this one, how to apply and who can apply. So B.Tech, B equivalent specialization, computer science, computer engineering application, and this one computer science, and diploma in engineering specialization, computer engineering. Available for duration is 75 days, and term and condition is there. So you can go through the all the details: dress code, working hour, code of conduct, application. So a student can apply for the multiple Indian Army internship opportunities. Stipend up to 75,000. Placements and accommodation is not provided by them. And this is a police verification mandatory for the internship. So this is a very important for that. When you will click on the login to apply, so you will find this page. So as a student and as a what you are, so as a student, click here, confirm for the student, and you have to go through the register now because you don't have the username password before. So you can click on the register now, and institute id, type, region. I confirm above details are correct, and your details will be there, full details will be there. Then finally you have to register. So step by step process you have to go for this. After registration you will just apply this one. So we have gone through the step by step process. So this is the Indian Army Data Analysis Internship 2026. And disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And all trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com. No copyright violation intended. Follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.